Back to another video. Today we have a deal, smoking deal on this blower. It's on clearance. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, guys, I managed to get 3 of these for somebody else, not for me personally, because I do mostly battery operated hand tools. I know, sorry about the noise, they're just doing construction next door. But yeah, actually these is a smoking deal. I managed to get this, or I managed to get 3 of them for different family members. $43.60. Regular price are $109. So definitely a smoking deal. And you can compare it to all these prices. $99. Well, actually this one's battery operated, but this one, it's about the same, so maybe a newer model. 25cc 2-cycle gas blower. This is a 25cc 2-cycle gas blower, basically the same thing. But yeah, this is really good deal, smoking deal. I'll put some pictures here so you guys could see what I got in the store and when I was in the store. I would definitely run down to your Lobes and check it out, or look at them online, see if your store has them at this price, because this one, this isn't my store here. This is the store I just went to right now, and they are at the website at $43 on clearance. So we got this blower on clearance too. I was just blown up at this price too. It's the Bolens 25cc 2-cycle 180 mile per hour to 400 CFM handheld gas leaf blower. This one is item number 73, or the model number, item number 735380. On this one, I'll show you guys what I saw on the picture. So this is the picture here. You got Bolens 2-cycle gas blower, medium duty handheld blower, 180 miles. So it's the same thing, guys. It says model number BL125, item number 735380. As you guys see here, it's $35.99, guys. From $89.98 is $35.99. Be sure to check out your Lobes. Just like the Craftsman blower, it's on sale, it's on clearance. So even if you don't find these items, you could find other items on clearance on your Lobes, you know. Like the battery, I know there's a clearance for the Cobalt 24 volts battery operated or powered blower. The kit, I believe it's on sale for like $60 or something on clearance. So be sure to check out that one too. I know there's a lot of different clearance going on right now. So these are the ones that I found here in my stores. But you know, it never hurts just to take a quick walk around the garden section and look. That's what I did. I was there for, as a matter of fact, I was there for some caulking I had to buy, and I just took a swing by the outdoor power equipment, and I found these deals. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.